Hey guys, this is Dan again from Unboxing Bros, and today we're gonna be talking about the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. So we've had a couple of days to really test it out and see how it works, see how good it is, and we've just been trying to test if it really lives up to the expectations. So one of the coolest features about this phone is obviously its camera. It's one of the biggest changes they've done to this phone, and I have to say it has been absolutely worth the change. We've also been using the super slow-mo, and I don't really like the super slow-mo feature on this phone. I think it's a cool concept, but in all reality, when you're taking that picture, it doesn't really capture the moment that you want it to. And I tried it a couple of times, but honestly it just does not work as it should. I think there's a lot of improvement there. Luckily it's just a matter of an update. So Samsung, if you're hearing this, probably not, but if you are, please update this feature. And I really like super slow-mo. I just don't like how it works right now. AR emojis, they're just weird. I just don't like them. It makes your emoji really close to how you look, but when you're trying to, I don't know, laugh, smile, it just twitches all around. It doesn't quite mimic your movements as accurate as the iPhone X. It also has these weird animals and things that you can use, and they're kind of creepy actually. So I just think it's not there yet. It's certainly working its way up, but it's not quite as good as the iPhone X.
There it is. Yep, I'm not sleeping tonight. Why?
So I took a couple of pictures with the S9 and the iPhone X, and I took a couple of pictures in normal light, and then I took a couple of pictures in low light, and you can pretty much see the difference. I think that camera wise, the S9 wins that round. Now when it comes to security, you get a couple more features on the S9 than you do on the iPhone X. For example, the iPhone X only has 2 ways to lock your phone. You could use your passcode on the iPhone X, and you could use Face ID. But in the S9, you've got face recognition, you've got iris scanning, you've got your normal number lock, and then you have the fingerprint sensor. And let me tell you, I really like the fingerprint sensor on this phone because it's so fast. All you have to do is touch the fingerprint scanner and it'll automatically open up to your home screen. The iPhone X, you really just have to look at it, and once it looks at your face, it unlocks, but then you have to swipe up. For me, it's no problem, and I think it's less of a hassle. So in terms of security then, which one's better? I think that you have more options with the S9, but the iPhone X, it's just responsive. You don't really need a fingerprint scanner because it's just so accurate. But I don't know, I'll leave that one to you guys. Leave a comment down below, which one do you prefer? There hasn't been really a lot of changes in the phone. If you just look at it from the front, you won't really notice a difference, but when you go to the back, you'll notice that the fingerprint scanner was moved to another position, which is kind of awesome because in the SA, you really have to reach up to unlock your phone. As to with the S9, all you have to do is sort of like hold the phone and your hand automatically lays on the fingerprint scanner. So the only major changes is the 2 cameras on the back, the fingerprint scanner, and the colors. So ultimately, will you be upgrading to this phone? Will you be buying the S9, or will you switch from Apple to Samsung? I love how it looks, I love how it feels. It just feels great in your hands, and it is so much lighter than the iPhone. But at the same time, it just, I don't know, is it really worth upgrading? If you're looking for a great camera, absolutely. If you're looking for other features such as security, or if you're buying it because of that AR emoji, maybe it's not time to upgrade yet. So this is my review of the Galaxy S9 Plus. If you really like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, share, and we'll see you in the next video.